My name is Edwin Aroldo Sorrobello. Group 57. Tutor Juan Carlos Amezquita. Tuesday, 7 April. Lack of information production costs. Lack of information on equality. Lack of information on licenses codes on transference agreements. Online source of production costs. Technical difficulty which leaves a high low cost. Blocking of police disclosure of information. High contents of information. Hate protects. Loss of sponsored aid over Valentine's projects. Not having specialized personnel. Loss of project due to the lack of project. Ignorance in the marketing. Lack of common of our writing. Lack of common about marketing channels. Lack of canal maintenance. Recommendation. Conduct tasks which clear information on benefits that must be abandoned the long-running technology process. Carry out marketing studies in which the production costs, royalties, and the other factors that can increase profits in order to complete in the marketing or plan. Investigation the different methods of process engineering and cost methods. Thank you for your attention.